This is the all-new AGM Pad T1, and it is great for taking notes, consuming media, playing games, and even getting work done faster. What initially caught my eye was the price of this tablet, and then the slim form factor of this tablet. So the question is it worth buying? And also, who is this tablet for? See guys, just keep watching to find out. Out of the box, this tablet comes with a convenient cover case that has a matching color with the tablet, and you can easily fold it to a kickstand for added convenience. There is also a 10-watt charger, a USB Type-C cable, a SIM card ejector pin, and some paperwork. The display of this tablet is 10.95 inches with a 7000 mAh battery, and charging this tablet with the included 10-watt charger took about 2 hours to charge, which is faster than I thought, and it also lasted for a very long time despite my usage and everything. Now for the design and build quality, this tablet is lightweight and very easy to carry around. The chassis is made from plastic and the frame looks like it's made from aluminum, but it is also made of a good rubber material. It doesn't have an IP rating, so please kindly keep away from flutes. Now let's talk about the external features. Starting with the speakers, this tablet has 2 stereo speakers and they are very loud. There is also the USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack, and then a slot for SIM card and micro SD card. On top of the device is a power button, and by the side you get the volume up and down keys. This tablet also has 2 microphones, a single camera lens, and a flashlight. And that little hole, well, it is just for aesthetics. Now moving to the display, this is a 10.95-inch Full HD Plus display with a 60Hz screen refresh. You have thick bezels on all 4 sides of the screen. The display quality is decent and sharp enough for most tasks, and contents look good on it. It doesn't support HDR content, but the colors are pleasing and immersive. The brightness peaks at 450 nits. It is not the brightest here, but you're also able to use it outdoors. But it works perfectly indoors. I mean, who would use a tablet under direct sunlight? So guys, if you're watching this video up until this moment, please hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Thank you very much. Now let's dive into the performance of this tablet. This tablet is powered by the UniSoC T606 processor. It handles basic tasks very well. It opens up fast and you can use it to game, but more to come on that. Multitasking is decent. You can split the screen and even have multiple apps open. The app switching is also very smart here. So if multitasking is your thing, this tablet is up for you with a total of 4 gigs of RAM that can be expanded, and the Android version 14 here. No Bluetooth or ads. It is a simple UI that you can customize, and it comes pre-installed all of Google apps. And when it comes to gaming, it is not completely a gaming tablet, but the Mali G57 MP1 does go a long way to play most games. However, you'll have to tweak the graphics settings depending on the game you're playing, so to avoid major lags in performance. Aside from gaming on this tablet, the overall performance is okay, and also you're getting regular software updates on this tablet, and that's a very good thing. Now this tablet costs $130, that's about 210,000 in Naira. Honestly, I'll say it's affordable. The main camera is a 13 megapixels and the front lens is a 5 megapixels camera. It has a good and sharp picture qualities with good amount of color, especially if you're in a well-lit environment. And also portrait pictures looks good too. The video is okay. This is a 1080p video and it is okay with details too. But the front camera can only shoot a 720p at 30 frames per second video. So this is exactly what you get shooting a video using the front-facing camera of this tablet. And it is not bad. It has a good color reproduction and okay for all of your social media postings. But what do you guys think of the overall picture quality? And of course, the sound coming out from this video? Do let me know in the comment section. And also hit that subscribe button if you have not done it yet. Thank you very much. And then coming to the battery life of this tablet, the 7000 mAh battery here, in my experience, lasted 3 days. 3 days watching videos, playing games, and also browsing the internet. And that is something I highly recommend. You can get this tablet on AliExpress. I'll include the link in this video description. And my overall experience, this actually helped me get a lot of work done faster. So if you're out there and you want some of your jobs, some of your tasks to be done faster, then this tablet is for you. Or maybe you prefer viewing media on a large display, then go for this tablet. But aside that, I recommend you checking out this tablet and then let me know what you think in the comment. So guys, if it's your first time to my channel, please kindly hit on that red subscribe button. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.